Ready to supercharge your Liondesk and control your sales pipeline like never before. First, let's navigate to the Settings section. Within your Liondesk account, locate the gear icon, usually situated in the top right or bottom left corner of your screen, and click on it. This will launch the Settings menu, where you can fine-tune a lot of stuff. In the Settings menu, look for Lead Tracking or a similarly named option, like Pipeline or Deals. Clicking this will open a submenu directly related to how you monitor your leads and opportunities. Within the Lead Tracking section, you'll find the ability to manage your status fields. This might be labeled Edit Statuses, Customize Statuses, or something similar. Select this to access the current statuses in your pipeline. You'll now see a list of your existing status options, such as New, Contacted, Qualified, Negotiating, and so on. These statuses represent the stages of your sales process. Click on an existing status such as New. Now you'll have the option to change the name of the status, like renaming Contacted to Initial Contact. You can also choose a color for better visual organization within your pipeline, which will assist with the tagline's progress tracking, and you can define what stage of the pipeline the status resides. To add a new status, simply click Add New Status. This will open a similar panel where you can provide a name, choose a color, and specify in what pipeline stage the new status will be added. And there you have it. By customizing your status fields, you've now optimized your sales process in Liondesk for enhanced workflow and precise pipeline tracking, boosting your team's efficiency and deal closing abilities. Good luck and happy selling.